Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Everybody say hello. Hello. Great, let's do our meditation.
Think about our heart center.
That's right. 2 fingers to find our heart center. Left hand in our lap.
And close eyes.
You know just what to do. Feel for the boom, 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 boom in your heart center. Move your right hand into your lap when you feel it. And let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes, and we're ready to begin. In this lesson, we're going to continue practicing multiplying 1-digit number times 2-digit numbers. So we're going to do a little warm-up on our board. We're going to take a look at our PowerPoint again because we're going to use some bigger numbers today. And we're going to do a little dictation practice together and review some multiplication facts at the very end. So let's begin with our warm-up. We're going to do some multiplication facts. I want you to think about the answer in your mind. Raise your hand when you have an idea. Keep your answer secret. And we're going to get started. 4 times 6. Think about what 4 times 6 is in your mind. When you have an answer, raise your hand. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
24.
What is it? 24. We heard some few different answers. That's okay. That's how we learn. So 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 7. 4 times 7. You can add 7 to 24. I'm sorry, you can add 4 to 24. Or you can think about your times tables. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
28.
That's cool. We got a lot of different answers that time. 28. 28 plus 4, 28. Okay, 4 times 8. 4 times 8. You can add 4, or you can think about your times tables. 4 times 8. Give a few more friends a moment. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Great job, friends. 32. What do you think is next?
4 times 9.
4 times 9. That should be fast. Use your fingers. 4 times 9. Use your fingers and raise your hand. You remember our trick? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 36. Good job. Good job, friends. Okay, let's go through all of our problems. We're going to say 4 times 6 equals 24. Good job. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. Very nice job. You want to do that, the pattern? Okay. When we do our clap pattern, we're going to do a little bit differently. We're going to say our answer first. So 24 equals 6 times 4. 28 equals 4 times 7. 32 equals 4 times 8. 36 equals 4 times 9. Do you want to do it again?
No.
Okay, we'll keep going. We're going to do our next numbers. We'll practice the same way. Okay. Next numbers. We're going to work on 5s. 5 times 6. 5 times 6. 1, 2, 3. 30. Very nice. 30. 5 times 7. 1, 2, 3.
25.
Good job. Those are easy ones. 5 times 8. What's 5 times 8? 40. Good job, friends. What's next? 5 times 9. 5 times 9. What's 5 times 9? 45. You got it. You got it. All of our times 5 end in zeros or 5s. Are we ever going to have an answer like 37? Or 72? Or 46? No. Any number times 5 is always going to end with a 0 or a 5. Always. Yeah, and it changes. You're right. Yeah, cool. Lots of patterns in our math facts. Okay, ready to do our... Doop, doop, doop.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do it same way. Start with our answer. Here we go. 30 equals 5 times 6. 35 equals 5 times 7. 40 equals 5 times 8. 45 equals 5 times 9. Beautiful job, friends. Okay, let's do sixes. 6 times 6. 6 times 6. 6 times 6. Couple friends have an idea. 1, 2, 3. 38? 36. Good job. That's okay. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is next. Think about 6 times 7. 6 times 7. 6 times 7. You can add 6 to 36, or you can think about your times tables. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 42. You got it. 42. 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. What's next? 6 times 8. Okay, think about 6 times 8. 6 times 8, you can add 6 to 42, or you can think about your times tables. 1, 2, 3. You got it, friends, 48. What's next? 6 times what? 9. Is that an easy one? Yeah, we can use our cool finger trick. Take a look at your fingers. Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 54. Remember, we have our finger trick. We're multiplying by 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 over here, 4 over here. Our answer is what?
54.
54. 54. Okay, here we go. Let's do our sixes. And we're going to start with our answer. Okay, here we go. Everybody get your hands ready. 36 equals 6 times 6. 42 equals 6 times 7. 48 equals 6 times 8. 54 equals 6 times 9. Beautiful work, friends. Okay, we're going to use our PowerPoint to go over how we multiply one-digit numbers times two-digit numbers. We looked at it yesterday a little bit in our last lesson, but today we are going to use some bigger numbers. So our answers are going to have 1, 2, 3 place values. So today we're going to use our ones place, our tens place, and our hundreds place. Good job. Thousands place come next. Yeah, our thousands place. So today we'll be using these three place values. So let's take a look at some of our numbers. 578. What number is in our hundreds place?
5.
What number is in our ones place?
8.
And what number is in our tens place? 7. Very nice. So we have our 8 is in our ones place.
70.
Our 7 is in our tens place. So we have what, Pot? 70. That's right. And 5, we have 500 because it's in our hundreds place. And then when we add it all together, 500 plus 70 plus 8. Yeah, you're right. It's 578. Very nice. So we're going to look again at multiplying one-digit numbers times two-digit numbers. Okay, so we start where? In our tens place?
No, 1 place.
That's right. We always start in our ones place if we're doing subtraction, if we're doing addition, or if we're doing multiplication. We always want to start in our ones place. So we're going to look at our ones place, then we're going to multiply our tens place. So what is 7 times 1?
Equals 7.
Yeah, 7 times 1 is 7. That's an easy one. We got our ones. Now let's do our tens. What's 2 times 7? 14. Good. Very nice. So our number 14, when we bring down our answer, we have 2 digits right here. Is that okay? Yeah, that's okay because we don't have any more numbers to multiply. So we can just put our number right down here. When it is our last number to multiply, then it's okay to put 2 digits on the bottom. And we now have a number in our hundreds place. Our whole answer is 147. Let's take a look at 31 times 7. Where should we start? In our ones place. Then we look at our tens place. So here we go. 7 times 1 is what? 7. What's 7 times 3? 21 is 217. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 digits down here. Is that okay? That's okay, because the 3 is our last number to multiply, so it's okay to put our 2-digit number here, and it now gives us a hundreds place. Our whole answer, 217. You got it. Here we go, 47 times 1. We're gonna start in our ones place. Or 41 times 7. Good. So 7 times 1. What is it? 7. 7 times 4. 28. Good. So we can put our 28 right down here because this is our last number to multiply. So now we have a hundreds place. What's our whole answer?
287.
Yeah, 287. You got it, friend. Oh my gosh. Come on. Okay, our next one. What problem do we have? What numbers do we have here? 42 times what number? What number do we have here, guys? 4. So what's our whole problem? 42 times 4. Where should we start? In our ones place. That's right. We're going to start in our ones place. 2 times 4 is what? 8. Now we go to our tens place.
4 times 2.
4 times 4 times 4. What's 4 times 4? 16. Very nice. Can we just write 16 down here?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay because this is our last number to multiply. So we can just put our 16 right down here. We've got our tens. And now we have a hundreds place. And our whole answer, 168 for this problem. Okay, this is our last one. What problem do we have?
51 times 4.
51 times 4. Should I start with 4 times 5?
No. 1 times 4.
1 times 4. We need to do our ones place, then our tens. So what's 1 times 4? 4. So easy.
5 times 4 equals 20.
Good. Now we're going to do 4 times 5.
4.
That's right, friends.
Oh my God.
And we just bring our number down here because the 5 is our last number to multiply. So we can just bring our number right down there. 204. You got it, my friends. Very nice job. Very nice job. So that's how we multiply our 1-digit numbers times 2-digit numbers. We always start in our ones place, then we multiply our tens place, and after our tens place, we can write our whole answer down at the bottom, even if it's 2 digits, because we just put 1 in our hundreds place. So we're going to take a little break and do some stretching activities. So let's have everybody stand up. Okay, let's stretch our arms out to a T. And stretch them to one side. Stretch the side of your body. Stretch them to the other side. Good job. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. Touch your toes. And come up and swing your monkey arms. Pretend they're so heavy. Good job. Let's do it again. Stand up nice and tall. Put your arms in a T. Stretch to one side. Ooh, you're stretching far. Stretch to the other side. Good job. Put your arms in a T. And touch your nose. Good job, friends. Put your arms in a T and touch your toes. And come up and swing your monkey arms. Pretend they're so heavy. Very nice. Stand up straight and tall. Show me how you can grow. Yeah, start in a small, teeny, tiny little ball. Get as small as you can, then you're gonna grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. Grow! Very nice. Let's do it again. Get small, get tiny, get little. Don't go to sleep. So small. Okay, here we go. Grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. Go! Nice and big. Okay, last time. Last time, get so small. Get as small as you can. Get as tiny as you can. Get as little as you can. Shh. Pang Pon, get as little as you can. Okay, Pot, get as little as you can. You are so little. Pang Pon, get as little as you can. Grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow nice and big. Grow nice and big. Okay, friends. Good job. Let's do 3 little claps. Let's take 3 little steps. Do 3 little jumps. Do 3 little spins. Do 3 big claps. 3 big jumps. Let's take 3 big steps. And do 3 big spins around. I'm gonna spin my arm today. Okay, very nice, friends. Everybody take a seat. Okay, we're gonna practice some of our multiplication facts, just like we learned from our PowerPoint. So today we're gonna make it fun. We're gonna use colored pencils. So all our friends have some scrap paper from one of our old lessons. So if you wanna use the front side, if you still have some space here, that's cool. Or you can flip it over to the back, whatever you wanna do. And we're gonna go through some problems together, multiplying 2-digit numbers times 1-digit number. So we're gonna follow along. You can use colored pencils if you want. Pot, grab your colored pencils. So just make sure you're gonna follow along with us. You can write in any colors you want. So let's take a look at some examples. First one we're going to do 21 times 5. First one, 21 times 5. So write 21 times 5 on your paper. You can use that side. That's okay. Whatever you want. Okay. 21 times 5. You can do it in colored pencil. You can do it on the front or the back.
This first.
Okay, if you want to do that, you can. 21 times 5. Where should we start to solve that? In our tens place?
No.
Where should we start? In our ones place. We're gonna start here in our ones place. So pot, what's 5 times 1? Equals 5. So we put our 5 here. There's our ones. Now we look at our tens place. 5 times 2. Down, what's 5 times 2?
10.
Equals 10. So,
105.
yeah, we put down our 10 right here because this is the last thing to multiply. We just move our 10 right there. Our whole answer is 105. 105. Very nice. Everybody, okay. Oh, wait a moment. Very nice job. Good job, buddy.
Me and it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Me this drum. Yes, it and beautiful.
Cool. Good colors. Okay. You can use a pen if you want to as well. Okay. Let's do 21 times 7. 21 times 7. 21 times 7. 21 times 7. Got it? Very nice.
Equals 7.
What equals 7?
1 times 3.
Yeah, you got it, friend. 1 times 7, 7 times 1. Because pot is right, we're going to start here in our ones place. 7 times 1 is 7. Now we need to do our tens place. What is 7 times 2?
Equals 14.
14. Is it okay to just write 14 down at the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay because this is our last number to multiply. If we had a hundreds place here, we couldn't do this, but this is our last number. So we can just bring our 14 down from 7 times 2. And that gives us our whole answer.
You got color.
You got some colors? Good, our whole answer, 147. Our next one we're going to do is 21 times 9. 21 times 9. We're going to do the same thing. You're going to start here with 1 times 9. Yeah, and it equals 9. So we always start in our ones place. 1 times 9 equals 9. Then we do our tens place. 9 times 2. What's 9 times 2? Yeah, 18. Is it okay to just write our 18 at the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's our last number to multiply. This is our last number to multiply.
It's so close.
Good job, friends.
You know when
Our next number we're going to multiply
22 times 3.
22 times 3. 22 times 3. So just do the same thing we've been doing. Start in your ones place.
Equals 66.
Good. How did you know?
2 times 3 equals 6 and 2 times 3 equals 6. And 3
Yeah, that's right. We look at our ones first. 3 times 2 is 6. Then we look at our tens. 3 times 2 is 6. 66 is our whole answer. Okay, let's keep going. We're going to get some bigger numbers. We're going to have some answers with a ones place, a tens place, and a hundreds place. But it's okay, we just do the problems the same way. So let's look at this one. 21 times 6. We do it the same way. You look at your ones place. 6 times 1. Q, what's 6 times 1?
Equals 6.
Equals 6. So we just put our 6 down here. Now we do our tens place.
26.
Good. 6 times 2?
Equals 12.
12. And it's okay to just write this down at the bottom because this is our last number to multiply. So our whole answer is 126. 126. Well, let's do 21 times 9, or times 8. Let's do 21 times 8. How do we start?
8 times 1.
Yeah, we start in our ones place. 8 times 1 gives us 8. And then we go to our tens place. 8 times 2, or 2 times 8. What's 8 times 2, or 2 times 8? 8 times 2.
16.
Yeah, 16. And we can just write our 16 here. This is our last number to multiply, so that's cool. We can do that. Let's get some bigger numbers. Let's get 32 times 4. 32 times 4. It's a little bit bigger, but we know what to do. We just start here with our ones place. 2 times 4 equals 8. What's 4 times 3?
12.
Yeah, it's 12. Is it okay to just write our 12 down here? Yeah. That's okay because this 3 is our last number to multiply, so it's okay. Let's get some bigger numbers.
Oh my gosh.
We can do it. 41 times 4. Where do we start? In our tens place? No, we always start in our ones place.
154.
Good. How did you figure that out?
No. 1 times 4 equals 4.
Good. 1 times 4 is 4.
15.
And 4 times 4 is 16. So no matter what our numbers are, we're always going to start the same way. In our ones place, 4 times 1 is 4. Then we look at our tens place. 4 times 4 is what?
15.
16. It's okay to write our 16 at the bottom because the 4 is our last number to multiply. Very nice, friends. With our multiplication, we're going to keep going. We're going to get higher numbers. We're going to get bigger numbers, but it's okay. We know what to do. We always start in our ones place to multiply, and then we multiply on our tens place. So everybody knows just what to do. Let's try 50 times 5. That one's okay. It's not too hard. We start in the same place. Yeah, 2. What's 5 times 0? 0. Woo! Equals 0. Good job. So we've got our ones place, and now our tens. What's 5 times 5? 25. 25. It's okay to write our 25 right here because this is our last number to multiply. 5 times 50 equals 250. Very nice job, friends. 250. We'll wait a few minutes. What's up? 5 times 50? It's okay. It's okay. It's just a little crooked. That's cool. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, everybody finished with that one?
Yes.
Okay, let's do 50 times 9. 50 times 9. Yeah, what equals 0? What equals 0?
9.
9 times 0. Yeah. What about if we had 8 times 0?
45. It was 0.
Yeah. Yeah, if we have 100 times 0, it equals 0.
1 million.
1 million times 0, it equals 0. Any number times 0 always equals 0. Down, what's 9 times 5?
45.
45. And this is our last number to multiply, so we can just put our 45 right down at the bottom. So we have a ones place, a tens place, and a hundreds place.
100. Teacher.
And our whole answer, 450. 122. I think we'll multiply bigger numbers like that. We're going to do a couple more. Yeah. We're going to do a couple more. Let's do... You can do it. You can do it. We just start in our ones place. 62 times 2. So we look at 2 times 2. What's 2 times 2, Panquan? 4. 4. There's our ones place. What about our tens and hundreds place? 2 times 6 is 12. This is our last number to multiply, so we can write our 2 digits down here. So we have ones, tens, and hundreds place. Our whole answer is 124. 124. What? Yeah, you can use different colors. That's cool. Okay, let's take a look at this problem. It's very close to what our last problem was. What's this problem?
52 times 2.
Okay, start in your ones place. I'm going to let you work on that on your own.
4.
It's very close to our last problem.
104.
That's okay.
It's like a jump.
Yeah, it's a good color. Very nice. Good job. Good start. 5 times 2?
10.
10. You got it. Great job, friends. You got it. So 100. What's 2 times 2? 4.
104.
There you go, bud. So 2 times 2, we start in our ones place, is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. So our whole answer, 104. Very nice job, my friends. Good work on your own. Hey, everybody's doing a great job, so we're going to do our last 4 problems. I'm going to try to let you think about them as much as you can. So our first one will be 52 times 4.
50.
And that's your clue where to start. 52 times 4. Try to work on that on your own. So think about your ones place, multiplying your ones place first. Good job. 52 times 4.
What, teacher?
52 times 4.
208.
Good. Okay, where do we start?
Equal 8. 2 times 4 equal 8.
Yeah, 2 times 4 equals 8. We start with our ones place.
4 times 5 equal 20.
Yeah, we could either say 4 times 5 or 5 times 4. Still gives us the same answer of 20. What's our whole answer altogether?
208.
208. Very nice work, friends. Good job. Okay, let's do another one on your own. 53 times 3. You know what to do. You're going to start with your ones place.
equal 9.
Good. Start in your ones place.
Equal 6.
Are you sure?
59.
3 times 3?
Equals 3 times 3.
Not 6.
3 times 3 equals 4. 9.
9. 3 times 3 is 9. Good job. 3 times 3 is 9. That's our ones place.
3 times 5 equals 6.
3 times 5. 15. Good job. Can I just write my 15 down here?
Yes.
Yep, because this is my last number to multiply. So it's okay to write my
And 2 more.
one there. Yep, we're going to do 2 more. Got it? Okay, good job, buddy. You're working hard. You're working so hard. Okay, we just have 2 more. 61 times 3. Try it on your own. You know what to do. Good job. 3 times 1 is 3. That's our ones place. Then we're going to look at 6 times 3 for our tens and hundreds. That's
And 3.
got it. Very nice job. You can do it. What's 3 times 8? Think about that in your mind.
3 times 6.
Oh, you're right. 3 times 6.
Equals 12.
Nope. That's 3 times 2.
2 times
3 times 6.
13.
Nope, it's higher. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Raise your hand if you know what 3 times 6 is. 3 times 6. What's 3 times 6? 18. So 1 times 3 or 3 times 1 for our ones place. 3 times 6 or 6 times 3 gives us 18. This is our last number to multiply. We don't have anything else here. So it's okay to write our number right down there. Okay, we're going to do one last one. You're going to do it all by yourself. But you can do it. 63 times 3. Try that all by yourself. I bet you can do it. Think about your ones place first, then multiplying to your tens place. Very nice.
Times 3.
Good job. What equals 9?
3.
Yeah. 3 times 3 equals 9.
6 times 3 equals 20.
Take a look at this one. Finished? Very nice. So easy. Cool. Do you want to come up and do it on the board for us? Okay, come on up. Okay. So tell us what you're going to do first. What are you going to do first?
9. 1 times 3 equals 9.
Good. 3 times 3 is 9. Then what?
18.
That's okay. A 9 was cool. You gonna write big? All right, nice. So we've got 3 times 3 is 9. What do we do next? Are we finished?
Yeah.
We're finished?
No.
No.
3 times 3 equals 18.
18. Very nice. What's our whole answer?
189.
89. Great work, friends. So that was great work, everybody. You did really, really well. So that's going to be the end of our math lesson today. We have one more lesson where we're going to practice 2-digit numbers times 1-digit numbers. So thanks so much for joining us today for our math lesson. Everybody say goodbye.